The snow crunched beneath their powerful paws as three majestic white tigers strode forward on the snow-covered road. Their piercing blue eyes locked onto the distant bridge, half buried in frost, stretching over a frozen river. The wind whispered through the mountain trees, sending snowflakes dancing around them. They walked in unison, their breath visible in the icy air, their fur glistening under the pale winter sun. Were they merely passing through, or were they the true guardians of the frozen path? As they neared the bridge, a distant howl echoed. Something awaited them beyond the mist.